Hey guys, this is Mr. Lee. This is construction review L60, and let's look at number 4 and number 5. So in number 4 it says determine whether or not the given side lengths would form a triangle, and we have 6 and 5 and 11. And we know that any two sides of a triangle have to be greater than the third side. So since 6 plus 5 equals 11 and 11 equals 11, this would not make a triangle. 8 plus 3 is 11, which is greater than 10, so this could make a triangle. But how big could that third side be? Could it be infinitely large? No, it couldn't. Find the range of the third side given the two side lengths. So if we have 2 and 12, and this should say 2 units and 12 units, these are the lengths of two of the sides of the triangle. How small and how big could that third side be? Well, remember the compound inequality. The triangle inequality theorem tells us that if x represents the length of the third side, it has to be greater than the difference of the other two sides, and it has to be less than the sum of the difference, or the sum of the other two sides. So in this case, x has to be greater than 12 minus 2 is 10 units. Please make sure you write the word units. Anytime we're dealing with lengths of sides of triangles, we want to write the word units or use the unit of measurement that's given. And then the sum is 14 units. And so this is your answer. It's a compound inequality. Okay? And for B, x has to be between 34 minus 16, looks like 18 units, and 50 units. Okay? Now how come in A, how come we did 10 units? How come we did 12 minus 2? How come we didn't do 2 minus 12? How come we didn't say that x has to be greater than negative 10 units? Well, that's because remember what x is. X is the side of a triangle. It's the length of a side of a triangle. We don't deal with negative lengths, negative sides of or negative lengths for a side of a triangle. That doesn't make sense. So we just disregard the negative and deal with